A. Apple.
B. Bird.
C. Car.
D. Door.
E. Ear.
F. Feather.
G. Grapes.
H. House.
I. Insect.
J. Jeans.
K. Kite.
L. Lemon.
M. Motorcycle.
N. Nose.
O. Octopus.
P. Pencil.
Q. Quill.
R. Rug.
S. Stereo.
T. Tree.
U. Umbrella.
V. Violin.
W. Window.
X. Xylophone.
Y. Yo-yo.
Z. Zipper.
Hi,
Hi.
Hi,
it's a pleasure to meet you.
nang to kimu lung dam hi.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Have a safe trip.
Chidam lu damin na tungum.
Have a safe trip.
Where are you from?
Nang koy pan na yam.
Thank you very much.
Rapi takin lung dam hi.
What is this called?
Hi bang kichi yam.
What is this called in English?
Hi mangpau in bang kichi yam.
You're welcome.
Lung dam tak ke ya.
You're welcome.
Lung dam tak ke.
Where are you staying?
Nang koy tenga om na yam.
Where are you staying?
Nang koy tenga om na yam.
See you later.
Kimuking ni.
See you later.
Kimuking ni.
I'd like to introduce you to my friend.
Kalom pa nang tong make set mo min.
I'd like to introduce you to John.
John to ong make set mo min.
See you tomorrow.
Jinjang kimuking ni.
See you tomorrow.
Jinjang kimuking ni.
Please speak slower.
Happy na to dampaw zoin.
Please speak slower.
Happy na to isang dampaw zoin.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Would you repeat that, please?
Happy na to pen again kiik thay dia.
Would you repeat that, please?
Happy na to again kiik thay dia.
Nice to see you again.
Oh, wiki mu kiik thay lung dami.
Nice to see you again.
Mu kiik thay lung dami.
Welcome to our home.
Ko in suwa nau te komwaki.
Welcome to our home.
Kain panuna kongwa kongdon hi.
Would you like to join me?
Kito na pai no yam kom no yam.
I'm here on vacation.
Kay tulay tak vacation
I
hi.
am here on vacation.
Kay tulay tak kunong to omi.
She is a friend of mine.
Amanuin kalom hi.
Sarah is a friend of mine.
Sara ina kalom hi.
I am married with 2 children.
I am married with 2 children.
Kay pasang na sahing napang ito.